Hi student, today we are going to discuss about the preparation of carboxylic acids. The first method from primary alcohols and aldehydes. So we know that upon the alcohol on oxidized using the potassium permanganate or potassium dichromate, it gives aldehydes. The aldehyde again oxidized to carboxylic acids. So we studied in hydroxy compound 11th lessons. Okay. Now we are going to prepare the carboxylic acids from primary alcohols and aldehydes. The primary alcohols and aldehydes can be oxidized using oxidizing agents such as potassium permanganate. Potassium permanganate, we are taking the potassium permanganate. The potassium permanganate in acidic or alkaline medium. In acidic or alkaline medium, and a potassium dichromate K2Cr2O7 in acidic medium. In acidic medium, Camphor in acidic or alkaline medium, potassium dichromate in acidic medium. Here this reaction is also called dehydrogenation. Dehydrogenation reaction. The oxidation of primary alcohols and aldehydes are also called dehydrogenation. Hydrogenation reaction. So what is the dehydrogenation reaction? So the removal of hydrogen is called dehydrogenation. Removal of hydrogen. Removal of hydrogen is called dehydrogenation reactions. So here we are taking the ethyl alcohols. Ethyl alcohol, we know the formula for ethyl alcohol, CH3 CH2OH. So what is the name of this compound? Ethyl alcohol, or IUPAC name what is IUPAC name? Ethanol. IUPAC name is ethanol. So we are taking the ethyl alcohol. It is oxidized with the oxidizing agent acidified potassium dichromate. Acidified potassium dichromate K2Cr2O7. What will happen here? We write this CH, then here 1H, the OH we can write OH. Okay, here it undergoes the oxidation using the oxidizing agent acidified potassium dichromate. Here what will happen here? The removal of hydrogen takes place. This two hydrogen and this oxygen goes as a water molecules. So it gives this single bond shifted here. So it gives CH3 CHO aldehyde. It gives aldehyde. It is a acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde. This aldehyde again oxidized in the presence of acidified potassium dichromate K2Cr2O7. Here the addition of oxygen takes place. The addition of oxygen takes place. It gives carboxylic acids. It gives carboxylic acids. CH3, here I is the C. CH3 COOH. These are acetic acids. Acetic acids or IUPAC name 1,2 carbon. So ethanoic acid. IUPAC name is ethanoic acid. Ethanoic acid. So we are taking the alcohol. So what is the condition for these reactions? The compound should contain alpha hydrogen. The compound should contain alpha hydrogens required. The compound should contain alpha hydrogen. Okay. Here we are taking the primary alcohol. The primary alcohol undergoes oxidation in the presence of acidified potassium dichromate. It gives aldehyde. This aldehyde again undergoes oxidation. It gives carboxylic acids. It gives carboxylic acids. So the condition for this reaction is the compound should contain alpha hydrogen. The compound should contain alpha hydrogen. So this reaction is also known as dehydrogenation reaction. Dehydrogenation means removal of hydrogen. Removal of hydrogen. So from primary alcohols and aldehydes, we can prepare the carboxylic acids using the oxidizing agents such as potassium permanganate in acidic or alkaline medium, potassium dichromate in acidic medium. So it gives carboxylic acids. The alcohol undergoes oxidation with acidified potassium dichromate. It gives aldehydes. The aldehyde again further oxidized to carboxylic acids. Carboxylic acids. So from primary alcohols and aldehydes, we can prepare carboxylic acids. We can prepare carboxylic acids. From primary alcohols and aldehydes, we can prepare the carboxylic acids. The primary alcohols and aldehydes can easily be oxidized to the corresponding carboxylic acids with oxidizing agents such as potassium permanganate in acidic or alkaline medium, potassium dichromate in acidic medium. I hope you understand, student. What is the condition for these reactions? The compound should contain alpha hydrogen. So this reaction is also known as dehydrogenation reaction. Dehydrogenation means removal of hydrogen. Removal of hydrogen. The primary alcohol undergoes oxidation. It gives acetaldehyde, aldehyde. The aldehyde again undergoes oxidation. It gives carboxylic acids. Thank you, student.